Wants to have an online class but your background is so noisy?
Wants to start recording but your microphone isn't good quality?
Wants to buy a microphone but normal ones are too expensive to afford?
So this video is very suitable for you.
Let's start out today's video. Hi guys!
Today we gonna unbox a microphone,
which Alice bought last month.
This is the package. Let's open it up and see what's inside. A little booklet, the stand, pop filter, table clamp, the very expensive microphone, USB cable, shock mount, speeded installing. Hi guys, I am Tony.
And I am Tim.
And we are finally back.
Cause Alice is so active in shooting videos recently, and she tried to hire others for video shoots.
So we were getting lesser chances to show up. But luckily, since it's almost the day of our channel's second birthday, so Alice let us show up to have a reminisce today.
And I heard someone said that if we commented down below this video, their comments may show up in the channel birthday video.
That sounds great. So if you are interested in anything about us or this channel,
please comment down.
Please go back to the title.
Oh yeah, the microphone. 1. How do the microphone works?
Firstly, when we speak to the microphone, the vibration of the sound goes to the microphone, and after the hi-fi chip inside the microphone modified, it will send the sound to your device.
2. Why do I need a microphone? It is because it can help you to make your sound better and more clearly when you're recording, like lesser background noises, make your sound louder and smoother, etc.
Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover, don't pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that.
3. What's the difference between not using a mic and using it? Here are some comparisons between have microphone and no microphone recordings. You can first hear the differences. Then we will say the actual differences if you cannot find them out.
Huh?
3.141592653589793238 3.141592653589793238.
Because of the hi-fi chip and the pop filter, the sound from the mic is more better and softer, but the volume is enough. Like Alice, cause her sound is so deep and little. When she is shooting video or having online lessons, she always needs to make a lot of settings to fix the problem. And since she used the mic, this problem is solved.
4. How to use the mic. First, connect the mic with the USB cable. Then, because we doesn't have a computer, so we will need to add an adapter. After that, then you can plug it to your device. If yours is a computer or a laptop, you can directly plug the USB to your device and make some settings, then you can use it.
We won't talk too much about this area, cause the people who edit this video may die. Here is the only button of the mic. When you turn it to the right, the volume will get louder, and if you turn it to the left, the sound will become quieter. Very good to use.
But there is one thing that Alice has emphasized about the stand. That is very unstable. It will drop down about 10 centimeters lower for about a few hours. And it very wastes of places. It almost uses half of the table, but you may only use it for not much time. So Alice just put it aside. Recommend you guys to buy the other choices.
5. What is the brand? This brand is Maono. We can't find much information about it, but almost everyone said it is a good brand. And it is good for beginners.
So this is the whole video. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and open the notification bell.
This helps us a lot.
Do you want to shop Wonderlands?
I am so sorry.
Remember to comment down your questions for the second birthday party.
See you next week. Bye.
Bye.